Facebook recovery codes are your digital safety net for account security. These special backup codes ensure you never get locked out of your account. Recovery codes are 8-digit numerical sequences that serve as single use backup passwords. Each code can only be used once to access your account. These codes act as alternatives when your primary two factor authentication methods fail. Whether you lose your phone or can't receive SMS messages, recovery codes provide reliable backup access. You can generate up to 10 recovery codes at a time. Here's what the actual recovery codes interface looks like on Facebook. Secure storage is absolutely crucial for recovery codes. Each code works only once, so you must keep them safe and accessible when needed. While Meta is moving toward passwordless authentication using biometrics and hardware keys, recovery codes remain an essential backup method for account security in 2025. To access your recovery codes, navigate to Facebook Settings, then Security and Login, followed by two-factor authentication, and finally recovery codes. You can download these codes as a text file or PDF for offline storage. In 2025, Meta has shifted to a mobile-first approach for managing recovery codes. While web access remains available, the mobile apps provide the most streamlined experience for accessing and managing your backup codes. To access your recovery codes, navigate through the Facebook app using this path: Settings, then Security and Login, and finally, two-factor authentication. This streamlined navigation makes it easy to find your backup codes when needed. Facebook now includes an intelligent auto-refresh feature. When you have fewer than 3 recovery codes remaining, the system automatically generates new ones. This ensures you always have backup access without manual intervention. For enhanced security, store your downloaded recovery codes in multiple secure locations. Use encrypted containers for digital storage and consider keeping physical copies in secure locations. Password managers provide an excellent secure storage option. Enable login alerts to detect unauthorized usage of your recovery codes. This monitoring system will notify you immediately if someone attempts to access your account using your backup codes, providing an early warning system for potential security breaches. Experts recommend refreshing your recovery codes every 6 months or immediately after any security incident. This regular maintenance ensures optimal security and keeps your backup access methods current with the latest security standards.